Right, just completed my first wet ride, should we call it? Squeaky bum time. I'll explain more. So, the classic helmet hair. So, I've just had a quick rip round on the old Ninja of Dreams. So, as I said previously on another video, that basically I've never ridden around in wet weather before, other than obviously on motocross and stuff like that, but on the roads, completely different kettle of fish. Some dry lanes, some nice wet roads. The second you come off the dry and you're onto the wet, she's a bit sketchy. Obviously not pushing it anyway, because I'm still learning, so I'm not pushing it. This is only going to be a short video anyway. So the traction control is in level 1. Probably should have notched that up to 2. It is a wicked bit of kit really, and yeah, it's been a little bit mad. And then as I was going around some of the lanes, there will be some footage and stuff for TikTok and stuff and shorts and stuff that I'll get off there. But as I was going around the lanes, it was a little bit precarious because there was a crash. I come around a bad bend and there was a crash on that bend. I mean, I weren't expecting that. So like I say, if you're new to the channel, you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do, because I literally film every single time I go out on that bike, whether it's on the road or actually like this, where I've just come back and do a little bit of a vlog on it. But that thing is absolutely epic. I wasn't going to go out, but I did a live TikTok the other day, and it was just frustrating because every time I get to work, I'm in the construction industry, get to work, it's absolutely glorious. I get home and it's like biblical. It's an absolute joke, and it's been frustrating me. So I've looked again at the weather. So the weather itself is supposed to hammer it down tomorrow. And I thought, do you know what? I've got half an hour. Let's just have a little blast on the bike. Do a little vlog for you guys. Make sure that, like I say, I'm keeping true to my word that I am filming every time I come out. And yeah, it was just nerve-wracking. Trying to avoid puddles, trying not to hit any of the real greasy wet stuff. I saw some of the stuff, and going back a little bit onto when I come around the corner, and there was basically a recovery truck, no ambers on, no nothing, on a bend, loading a car up. Now, what the hell are you doing? Another car in the hedge, and it was on a blind bend, so ridiculous. I have got the GoPro with me, but I don't think it was, so GoPro was not playing ball. So I don't think I've got it, which is really frustrating. So the really cool thing as well, so using the quad lock for the first time, that was an absolute game changer. By having that on, it's not in my pockets, because these trousers are a bit frustrating because I've got the old Kevlar jeans on, and that is definitely, now I think I've pretty much made up my mind that I definitely want to get some leathers, because the Kevlar jeans does not fill me full of confidence. I know it's stupid, and I know I shouldn't have to worry about it. I should be just, doing my thing. But hey, it's nerve-wracking. It's not great, and I think I'm going to have to get some leathers. I've seen, is it RST do some? So I'm going to get some of those at some stage. I need to just basically get a bit more money together, being honest, and being completely, like I say, trying to be transparent on the channel as I am on my other channels. I just need to get a bit more coin together, and then I can invest. So I'm going to jump back on the bike and finish this ride. So I'm back in the bike shed, as you can now gather. So I'm back in. Now, I've got a gravel drive, right? And one of the best things I've purchased was this. It's just, to me, it was a game changer, right? And somebody put a comment out, they've been around for donkeys. Yeah, that's great, good for you. It's like saying the wheel is not awesome because it's been around for ages. I get it. New to me, right? So that stops that bike and toppling over on the gravel. So for me, it's a game changer because I ain't going to be stacking it on the drive. But yeah, it's just brilliant. Absolutely love it. Bit of a tight squeeze, you can probably gather, in the old bike shed, but loved it. So for those of you who have been thinking about getting a bike, right? So you've been thinking about getting a bike. Try and pop you down there, right? If you've been thinking about it and you've been putting it off, don't. Right? I can honestly say it is amazing. It's the best feeling of just going out, clearing your head, regrouping, because you can't think of anything else when you're on the bike. You have to think about what you're doing. There's no more to it. Just, if you are new to, or thinking, which I'm guessing what's happened if you've clicked on this channel, right, and you're thinking about starting riding, you know, doing your license stuff, don't hold back, just do it. So one of the lads at the wholesalers, he's a young lad and he has just done his license, and he's got restricted license it is. I'm not sure, you'll tell me what it is, but so he's got a Honda CBR 650R, I think, something like that, restricted, and it's brilliant. He loves it. It's a really nice bike, really nice bike. I prefer this, but it is nice, I must admit. So like I say, really short video. That quad lock, just a actually on the road test on that. So this one is the stem mount with the vibration dampener built into it, which is like, it's like a modular system. Like you just grab bits and just add them on. Oh, it's brilliant. Really good. And especially like for me, because I use the bike when I go out quoting and things like that, where I can, for sat nav, if nothing else. It's absolutely brilliant. So yes, on that note, like I say, if you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed, I know it's a really short video, short and sweet one, but I did promise every time I go on it, even though it was a quick little ride, I will share my thoughts, my journeys on it. So mounting points as well for the cameras. So right now I've just changed that, so that is on there, and that is getting stuff for all the shorts and stuff like that. So I'll download that in a minute. Now somebody may have mentioned about what they call it, chicken strips and all that sort of stuff, to do with all your lean angle on your tires and stuff like that. Obviously part of the bike, but it's more to do with the back or something. I don't know, let me know in the comments. It sounds like an ego thing to me, because how far around you get it, unless you're on a track, I can't see it makes any odds whatsoever. So on that note, I'll leave you to it. I'm going to go in, because it's pitch black now, and I'm going to go and chill out, and I will see you guys on the next one.